Hello Sagis, this is your June 2020 money career reading, and this is for June 2020, the days which are left. Let's see what the cards hold for you. Sagis, being this retrograde season wherein Venus already in retrograde and Mercury is going to retrograde from June 17th, you really need all the signs, all of us really need to take any new thing or any new idea in a phased step-by-step manner. Don't rush into any decision or thing and in one go. Just go slowly, but yes, action will be required. This is for everybody. I have told in your previous sign from June. You really need to be careful and alert, so that everything that you are planning and working goes in the right way. So let's see what your cards have to. The Moon. It's this card is showing that you have to leave behind your emotional baggage, energy, and you have to just leave away your disappointments that you had in your recent past. You were very disappointed, sad, money wise, career wise. It's showing that maybe you were deceived or betrayal was there, and so you just this is your recent past, so you just have to leave behind these things, and there were things in hiding, and that has really made you sad about things. So emotional baggage you need to leave behind. The Justice. So this is a beautiful card. So Justice card tells that you need to, justice will be you either you're waiting, justice will be done to you fairly, like whatever hard work you have put in your recent past. Time has come that you are looking towards a situation which you have been wanting for long, and for which you had worked previously, but there was something went wrong. So justice is coming to you very much. It's a good card. It's a card wherein which will take you to the right direction. Sagis. Here, this card again shows that when you either a job situation or a business situation, or a fallout with a partnership, or you want to leave a job because it's somewhere it's not doing justice to you, the previous thing you did not get. Don't do things immediately. Like, do not just do things. Even if you're looking for a business thing, you only not have to look at the material gain, you have to look at your emotional satisfaction also. So for any new thing, just don't rush in for monetary benefit. Look at the overall benefit, or whatever the desire you have, a balance of emotional and financial stability is what you have to understand and go towards it, like a total happiness, financial and emotional abundance. Here also, this cards ask you to get knowledge regarding the new thing that you are looking forward to, brush up your skills, find out all the information, so that the final product, either getting for the business, the idea, it could work exactly the way you have thought. It would bring you the financial results, beautiful financial results. So brush up your skills, get more info, work hard towards it. So this is what this card is showing. Also shows for emotional happiness along with financial abundance. Two of Pentacles. I got it for two more signs. I feel there is a certain think that if you, there are chances that you know you would want to leave a job, or you want to just break away from something suddenly, but don't do it immediately. As this retrograde season, go with anything slowly and in a phased manner. Right now you need to assess your financial situation, so maybe you need to carry on with your job till this new venture, new idea doesn't start you know giving you financial results, positive financial results. So maybe you will be needing to juggle this job and the business together. So don't take any rash decision and leave one thing you know and just impulsively. So juggle, that is what is needed. Yes, of course there is hard work and more hard work, and but this is going to help presently, Saji. So don't be impulsive. Juggle, presently juggling two kind of work, or I mean business and job, or something, two businesses is needed. Eight of rods in reverse. So this is a reverse card. So I think you, regarding ideas, that you need to, in an upright position it shows many possibilities, lot of communication and a lot of ideas. So in reverse position is just asking for clarity. Think about not so many ideas, think about only ideas, you know, few of them, and just have a tunnel vision so that your energy is not scattered. Saji, you know, you have to fix up in, don't go for so many, you know, select one or two or whatever, 2 3, and try to focus on those ideas rather than going for, you know, you might exhaust your energy and effort. So just have a tunnel vision of few ideas, 1 or 2, and you know, you have to get them and find out and then work towards those towards that idea. So plant seeds now for things that you want later. Slowly it is going to grow. Definitely you know, you have to balance joy and work. I think around September you could see, you know, the results of your labor, not fully, partially you could see things coming. June 21st would also give you an idea. I think by that time there would be clarity, and you could just understand what could you know, what would work for you. So let me pick 2 cards, a likely outcome and what is going to help. Okay, so here you need to just move away from this sadness situation of, you know, things that went wrong in your, just leave those and just focus on things that you have left here. You know, the money or the financial situation still that you have, focus on this. Just leave your situation in which you are so sad and disappointed, and you know, don't you know, don't have to see this already things which you have lost, it's already spilled. So focus on what you have, Saji. Don't just go away into those past things which has not worked great for you. So 2 of rods in reverse. This is again showing that 2 of rods is you need to be bold. You need to, you know, maybe you are in a low energy and low confidence. So bring that confidence, bring back your confidence. Take you know, a step one by one, and work towards your goal. This is what the 2 of you know, rods in reverse showing, that maybe you are a little low in confidence and you are not very happy. Of course you are going, maybe you are going through some financial issues. So just get bold, just take you know, reboot yourself, realign yourself, redirect yourself towards success, whether it's financial, you know, emotional stability, job or money. So that is what, Saji, for you. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.